Show your patriotism by creating your very own American flag image using Stencil Ease's American Flag Stencil. Start by choosing a white surface and mark the flag dimensions. Next, place the striped stencil so that the red stripes align with the bottom and top edges, and then secure the stencil with frog tape. Load your roller with paint, making sure to remove excess paint on the tray. Now roll the roller on a wad of clean paper towel until the roller contains a minimal amount of paint. Next, apply many light coats to ensure even coverage and prevent bleeding underneath the stencil. Once you notice paint no longer building on the design, you may repeat the same process of reloading the roller. Next, slide the stencil over to fill in the gaps in the stripes created by the stencil. Take care to not build too heavily in the areas that already have paint on either side of the gaps. Readjust as necessary to evenly distribute the color. Once the stripes are complete, move striped stencil so that it can be used to mask off the area that will be painted blue. Be sure there is no gap between the right side of the blue section and the left edge of the red stripes. Again, use multiple light coats to build the desired shade. Next, move the star pattern stencil into position using frog tape to secure it. Apply white color, making sure to change roller direction frequently to fill in all the points of the stars. Your American flag is now ready for display. All Stencil Ease stencils are proudly made in the USA.